Hey everyone, so here I'm doing exercise 0.4, second question, and the question here is the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? So this is a question from exercise 4.4, simple equation of class 7. So here we have to form a linear equation or just a simple equation and we have to solve. Since if you read the first line, it's like they're comparing the highest mark with the lowest mark. So they said that highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So here we have to find out the lowest score or lowest marks. So since we don't know that, we have to assume or we have to take it as a variable. You can assume any variable like x or a, b, c, anything you can take. So here I'm going to assume the lowest mark is equal to x. Let's start solving this. So let the lowest score or lowest marks be x. Now we're going to form a statement or the equation here. The equation is highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So the highest marks, let us write down that. So highest marks is equal to twice the lowest mark. Twice means 2 times the lowest marks. So 2 into x plus 7. So plus 7. But in the question they have also given highest marks is equal to 87. So 87 is equal to 2 into x is 2x. So 2x plus 7. So this is the equation we have got and we have to just solve for the x and get the answer. So I'm going to use a transpose method. I transpose a 7 to the other side. So here we get 87 minus 7 because 7 is on plus with on the right hand side. If you take it to the left hand side, become minus. So 87 minus 7 is equal to 2x. So 87 minus 7 is 80. So 80 is equal to 2x. Now we want only x, we don't want this 2 here. So this 2 is under multiplication with x. When I take it to the other side, multiplication become division. So from here we can write down 80 upon 2, it is in a division now, is equal to x. You can divide it or you can cancel it. I'm doing cancellation here. 2 ones are and then 2 40s are 80. So therefore the x value we got is 80. The x value we got here is 40. So since we have assumed that x is nothing but the lowest marks or lowest score, so therefore from here we can write down lowest marks is equal to 40. That's it. I hope it's clear. In case you have a question or doubt, you can drop a comment below, and thank you so much for watching.